We are coming closer and closer to the Chocolate Hills, and this is nice scenery here with the rice fields. Hi guys! The second try to go to Chocolate Hills, and now we are successful because the weather is good and we are now in Loboc. The river is there. We need to go now in the mountains, having a short break here. And as you can see here, and we have a Spritz Dalandan hard seltzer, very refreshing. And here's the sign where you have to go. River Cruise Tourist Destination. River Cruise, Man-Made Forest, Philippine Tarsier Conservatory. I think this is the monkeys. Ship House in Chocolate Hills. Yeah, and we bought here some fruits, the common mangoes, and what have we here? What is that?
Santol.
Santol, this is this...
The sun is tall.
This is very sour, yeah?
Not so, but it's nice if you eat.
What? This is not edible?
No, it's like lanzones.
Give me a piece.
But you can eat this one
outside.
But, yeah, you can try. Don't eat all like what I did like that. No, just like this.
Oh my god, that's really sour.
It's perfect. It's perfect for sinigang. With this one.
This is edible?
Yeah, but you don't need to. You just
suck it.
Yeah, suck it.
It's wobbly. It's like you have an alien in your mouth. Slimy.
Yeah.
Slimy from Ghostbusters. You cannot eat it, you can just suck it.
But the other people, they eat that. But the problem is when you get poop, it will stuck on your anal.
Very interesting content here. Am I filming? Yes. Okay, we will eat some fruit and then see you on the next tourist attraction, I don't know. The next is the river cruise, 5 kilometers. See you there maybe. Lot of buses, huh?
Cruise ship at Loboc River. Oh, this is the river. Maybe they go here, Mahal, on that cruise ship.
I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
If they go so far. Oh, that looks so nice here. Whoa, nice scenery here, look at that. So jungly. Yeah, I love it.
What?
I love it. The jungle scenery.
Yeah. Jungle. We are in the jungle.
In the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. What we bring it to you.
Oh my god, that sounds
Self-made, man-made forest.
Yeah.
I don't. Here, a man-made forest. So the forest was.
Oh no! Oh my god, it's so nice.
So it's not a natural forest.
Yeah.
Right?
People who made this.
Watch out for falling branches. Okay. Wow.
Wow.
Big trees.
My god. got the perfect spot from the video.
Now we're here at the tarsier. These small monkeys or owls. What is that?
Tarsier.
Tarsier. It's an owl.
Oh, yeah.
Owls. Yeah, let's check it out. So the entry
It's 100.
is 100 per person. 2 euros. $2. Let's go and check it out. So we are here now in the entrance. That's the first impressions. Sometimes there are nice butterflies there. Nice nature.
Yeah.
Not only these little boys, also here. Chicken bok bok.
It's included in some. And every this kind of they are here sleeping. Maybe over.
Oh!
Ah, it's a big one. Here, he's a big one. Hello.
That's so cute with
Yeah.
the roof.
Yeah.
The leaf is the roof. Yeah, it turns out that this is a very small round.
Yeah.
Maybe that was 10 of these small cute guys. And then let's go further to the Chocolate Hills. Maybe we can have a drink here or whatever, but well, let's go to the Chocolate Hills. A lot of farming here, yeah? Now we are on the Chocolate Hills, and as you can see, a lot of tourists.
Yeah.
Big tourist attraction.
And we will go on.
And we have to go 120 steps up there. So what is there inside there? Nothing
shop?
special. I want to touch the water. Yeah, really? Yeah, it's very hot. Oh, there's a fish. Yeah. Mal. There you go.
I didn't know that.
Watch your steps. I think we are dead when we are up there.
Yeah.
The hills looking like boobs. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah. They are only left the nipples. No nipples.
No smoking.
What?
Here.
Yeah, but vaping. Look there.
We are on the top already. Ah, that's what they were opening.
Yeah, these cars. And there also. And then they built their small cute chocolate hills. You see, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
And there, flying of drone after 8 in the morning is strictly prohibited. That's a pity. For me now, there can come a little bit rain.
I want to make
Give me a banana chip, Mahal. This is the road where we're coming from. Chocolate Hills now, and we also have a long way back, 2 hours,
It's the same.
60-70 kilometers. Yeah, it's the same, and maybe we will stop at the waterfall.
Yeah.
See you there maybe. Hello. So now we found a hidden waterfall, and the dirt road was very bumpy and yeah, not good to drive. But here we are, and we paid 30 pesos each for the entry. So no tourists. And then we have a small cool down swim. Yeah. Maybe. Where we can swim here? I don't know. Yeah, so we decided to go because it's very slippery. You cannot really have a good entry in the water, and it's not worth for that dirt road ride to come here. So we go.
Yeah, you cannot swim on the water for me because it's dirty, and then as you can observe, there's a lot of houses there, so we didn't know there's some dirt that they throw away here. It's not like in Cebu, in Kawasan Coast, it's not like the same. So for you guys, if you want to come here, I will tell you it's not worth to come here for some to swim or what, and you will pay 30 pesos each for the entrance.
Yeah.
For the view only, you can, but you cannot enjoy the water like in Kawasan.
It's Pangas Falls,
Yeah.
near Chocolate Hills.
Yeah. You need to struggle on this bumpy road. It's yeah.
Yeah, and it's long. It's maybe
it's a long way
5 kilometers or.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay for the 30 pesos support for the local, like 30 pesos entrance each person. Roster, holding the camera.
But at least, guys, it was a try
Yeah.
for the waterfalls. Then we go later on the beach on that other beach, Dumakoton, or what was that name? Near Alona Beach.
Yeah. It was suggested by a friend, because in Alona Beach is so much touristic. Look, everyone here is planting a rice in this area.
Here's a fire.
Fire.
Look at that here.
Oh shit.
That's not fun
Yeah.
to ride this.
Oh shit.
Guys, it's so fun to ride these mountain streets here. I'm coming. Oh, there's a bus behind us.
I need to film him. Let's stop, make a photo. Maybe the bus.
Yeah, that's nice here. It's a nice food. Oh, help me! Help me! Look! What's that?
It's ahead of the
Chicken?
chicken. Magkano po rice? Do you want to eat rice? I
Of
want
course.
to eat rice. Just one only because later we need to eat.
I want
for the
pommes frites.
dinner.
French fries.
No, they don't have French fries, only rice.
Soy sauce
Yeah.
and kamalalaksa.
Calamansi.
This is so big.
And this is our food. That's our food. You found?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Very, thank you.
So now we have our barbecue, and this is very cheap. What did you pay for everything?
124.
That's €2. €2 and 30 cents for rice and all that, and a lot of calamansi because I like it.
Maybe you will.
And we have warm water and the cold water. And we have tissues. Happy? Yeah, somewhere. We don't know where we are.
Me too, I don't know. But you can tell to them we are from...
In this direction is Tagbilaran.
yeah, and
but you
we are
don't know.
from Chocolate Hills and... what is that? Tarshir.
Yeah, we are
and-
coming from.
Yeah.
So, something new for me, trying intestines. So this is intestines from a chicken? Eee, they were poop before inside.
No, they already cleaned that.
Tastes like a ship. Chips. Guys, this is an outro. We will end the video here for today on our travel, on our journey, what is it, adventure to the
Chocolate
Chocolate Hills.
and Tarshir.
Yeah, and then see you in the next video. Like the video, subscribe, and check out our, leave a comment and check out our Instagram. Bye bye.
Choose.
And also you can check out our other videos, our first meeting, and when I eat the first time sinigang, kalambulang, and
so
all
funny.
that. Yeah, check out these videos. I will link that in the description. Bye.